Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to change fonts in Weebly for 2025. If you're running a website on Weebly and want to give it a fresh, modern look, this quick tutorial is perfect for you. It's easier than you might think, and by the end, you'll have your fonts updated in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Weebly account. Head over to the Weebly website, enter your credentials, and click on the dashboard. Once you're in, select the site you want to edit. This is where the fun begins. Next, open the Weebly editor by clicking on Edit Site. Look for the element where you want to change the font, like a heading, paragraph, or button. Click on that text element to select it. Now, in the editor toolbar, you'll see a font drop-down menu. It's usually right there at the top. Click on it to see your options. Weebly offers a variety of fonts, including modern ones for 2025, like sans serif styles that are clean and professional. Choose the font that best fits your site's vibe. After selecting, you can also adjust the size, color, or style if needed. Don't forget to preview your changes by hitting the Preview button to see how it looks on different devices. One common tip: if the font doesn't apply right away, double-check that you're in the correct section of your site. Weebly might have theme-specific restrictions, so if you're using a custom theme, you may need to go into the theme settings for more advanced options. Once you're happy with your selection, save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top. Exit the editor, and voila! Your site now has a brand new font. This simple update can make your website feel more current and engaging, especially with 2025's design trends. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Weebly tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.